In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code snippets in WordPress. If you want to add custom functionality to your WordPress site without directly editing your theme files, using a code snippets plugin is one of the safest and easiest ways to do it. It helps you keep your changes organized, and in many cases, it reduces the risk of breaking your site compared to pasting code into core files or your themes functions file. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your site's content, appearance, summaries, and settings. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all the main sections of WordPress. From there, click on Plugins. This opens the area where you can browse, install, and manage plugins for your website. Plugins are what allow you to extend the functionality of WordPress without needing to build everything from scratch. So this is the right place to go when you want to add a tool like a code snippet manager. After you are in the plugins section, use the search bar to look for code snippets. Make sure you type the name clearly so WordPress can bring up the correct plugin in the results. Searching this way is helpful because it quickly narrows down your options and saves time, especially if you have a lot of plugins available or installed already. Once you see code snippets in the search results, click on it. This lets you open the plugin option you need so you can move forward with installation or activation. Take a quick moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct plugin before continuing. That's always a good habit whenever you install anything in WordPress. Next, click Upgrade and Activate. This will complete the process so the plugin becomes available on your site. Depending on your setup, you may see a short loading screen while WordPress finishes the action. Once it's activated, the plugin will be ready for you to use for managing custom snippets more efficiently. And that's it. You've now added the Code Snippets plugin in WordPress and prepared your site to handle custom code in a cleaner, more manageable way. As a quick tip, after activation, it's always smart to test your site and make sure everything is still working normally. This gives you confidence before adding any custom code.